This is a video to show you how to set your form to work with the Power Lead system. Now, if you have the free version of the Power Lead system, just don't worry about changing this first box where it says Power Lead System domain. That should be leadprimary.com. When you get your URL, just make sure that that matches leadprimary.com. If it's something else, then you'll want to change that. So it should be leadprimary.com, and then it will say / your user number. If it's something other than leadprimary.com, then change it to whatever it is. But make sure in this first box you just put HTTP and then / www.leadprimary.com. Unless it's something else. Make sure you don't put your user number in this box. And then in the next box is where you'll put your user number. Now, that's just if you're using the free version. However, if you've upgraded your system and you're using the paid version, paying $30 a month, and you've got your domain inside the Power Lead system, in order to get your correct autoresponders to work, you have to use the correct domain name that is linked to those autoresponders. So log into your Power Lead system account, and you're going to see this option here where you can set the page that you want for your Power Lead system, and depending on what page you use and the settings you have in your account, if you've imported a funnel from the Income for Sharing network, then you should see that funnel in here with a picture next to it. But that will have our autoresponder campaign built into that funnel. So if you've selected that one, you can't see one in here, but you should see that in your account if you've already imported it. And the way to import our funnel is to just go scroll over account and click on My Sharing Codes. And for instance, for the auto lead machine, it's 258153-1. So you would just enter that code right here, and then you'd click Submit. And that would import our funnel into your account. And then what you would do is just click on Websites, and then see here, you'll see your website is set. Mine is freeleadteam.com. Yours is going to be whatever your domain is. Now you need to have your domain, you need to get a domain either transferred. It's $12 to transfer it per year, or $5. I mean, if you buy a domain, it's $12 per year, or $5 if you transfer your own domain. So the second thing, you want to have this set to become a free lead system forever member or become a prospect for whatever I want. Normally I would suggest that you use become a prospect for whatever I want for that. Okay, so, and then you just scroll down. Like I said, if you've imported one of our funnels, then you'll see that in your account and you'll select that one. But if you haven't imported one of our funnels and you just want to use the Power Lead system generic excuse me, the generic Power Lead system autoresponders that are written for any business, then just select Become a Prospect for whatever I want there, and then scroll down and choose one of these lead capture pages. And that will just set this particular lead capture page for the URL when people go to your domain. This is the page they're going to see, but your forms are still going to work in your lead capture pages as long as you do this correctly. So just click on Save My Choice there, and then your domain here, whatever your domain is, copy this from where it says HTTP all the way to where it says .com. Now make sure you do not include the /. That's very important. Don't include the / at the end of it. And then just go into your account here and paste that in, and make sure there's no / on the end. Whether it's .com or .net, make sure you end with .com or .net or .biz with no forward slash. And then make sure you've got the correct user number right here. If you don't know what your user number is, then look at the bottom of your Power Lead System account and it will say referral ID, and that's your user number. So just make sure you've got the correct domain name and the correct user number, and once you've got that, scroll down and click submit to save your changes, and that will enable your autoresponders to work just the same as they would if you were directly on your domain for the Power Lead System. But like I said, once again, if you are just using the free version, then all you need to enter is your user number and that domain set, the free lead system domain. I believe it was I can't remember it. Lead primary, that's what it is, leadprimary.com. That should be what you have set if you have the free version. So you only put a different domain in there if you've actually transferred your own domain to Power Lead System or bought a domain in Power Lead System. And anyway, that's how to set up your form to work with the Power Lead System autoresponders. Thanks for watching.